Let's go. Albert Gonzalez is going to square off against Dana Coolwell. Dana Deadly Coolwell is a tough boxer out of Queensland, but his loss against Bruce Carrington showed many holes in his game, and we've seen that he was having so many critical aspects of defense, and his lack of defense could really create a problem, and he's mostly losing with decision. On the other side, Gonzalez is very dominant, very aggressive, 5'7". Offensively, he's a tremendous boxer, but when it comes to defense, he is hitting some unnecessary shots. He likes to push the pace, and I believe his accuracy is going to give him advantage in this fight. So I have a feeling that Albert Gonzalez is going to get the job done. So yeah, if you're asking me, I definitely have to say Albert Gonzalez for the victory.